Okay, now looking at this one, I can tell it's not the difference of two squares. I don't have just two terms up there. Okay, I've got three terms up there. It's a trinomial. Okay, and I know what this section's about, so I'm already going to start looking. It's probably going to be the square of a certain kind of binomial. Okay, what type of binomial do you think it's going to follow, Eddie? It's going to be the let me get this, a minus b squared form, isn't it? Okay, now the thing is, though, guys, let me do this. I'm sorry. I don't know if I look at this, I may not pick that right off the bat. I may go, you know what, okay, I've just got to factor this thing. Okay, well, let's do that. Let's just factor it. Okay, take 4 and take 25. I know 4 factors into 4 and 1 and 2 and 2. I know 25 is going to have to be both negatives because this one's negative, but that's positive. So it's -1, -25, -25, -1, and it's also -5, -5. So those are the different combinations. I'm actually going to have 6 combinations. Okay? So when I write them up here, I'm going to get 1, 2, 3. Now Patrick A is probably already factoring things in his head, and he's thinking, okay, I can kind of figure this out. Okay? Or maybe not. Right? We may need to try all of them. But I know I'm going to get 4x and 1x, 4x and 1x, 4x and 1x. And then -1 minus 25, and -25 minus 1. Oh, not 5. Minus 1. Okay? And then -5 minus 5. Okay? Then down on these other three, I'm going to get 2x and 2x, 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 and then let me fill in -1 minus 25, -25 minus 1, -5 minus 5. I combine outsides and insides. When I look at this first one, the outsides give me -100. I know that's not going to be right. Okay, that's going to be too big. This is -100, and the insides give me -1, so this isn't it. The outsides give me -4. The insides give me -25. That's -29. That's not it. The outsides give me -20. The insides give me -5. That's -25. Oh, that's not it. I'm looking for -20. Okay, the outsides give me -50. The inside gives me -2. It's probably going to be the last one, knowing my luck. Oh, I bet it is. It's a perfect square, isn't it? All right. The outsides give me -2. The insides give me -50. All right. So I know that's not it. And then the outsides give me -10, and the insides give me -10. That gives me -20. And look, guys, it's a perfect square. Do you see that it's 2x minus 5 squared? 2x minus 5 squared. Now, Connor has a question about that. No? Okay. Are we good on that, guys? Now, you might have just seen, hey, that's a perfect square. I'm just going to try it. You may want to just try it first to see if it's a perfect square. You can look at the 4x squared and say that's perfect square, and 25 is a perfect square, and that's a negative. Maybe this thing is 2x minus 5 squared, and then multiply it out and see if it is. If it's not, then you can factor it. Okay? Those are different ways to go about factoring it. All right? Everybody happy there? I'm happy.